Welcome to another video. In this one we're going to be fitting a reversing camera to this Sprinter. It's got the original head unit in it, which means to integrate a camera into this we need to use a little module that goes behind the dashboard. Then once we've done that, we're going to fit our air conditioning unit up onto the roof. On all the larger vans, the reversing camera is part of the rear brake light. Here I am, just undoing the two torque screws that hold the brake lights into the van. So there's a gasket that goes around the brake light, stops any water getting in. So fitting that, and this is where I also found out that the light from the original brake light needs swapping over into the new one with the camera. The camera needs a power cable and an earth cable. Here I'm carefully soldering the plugs for the camera, ensuring a solid, reliable connection for a crystal clear view. We neatly route the cables down the inside of the van, securely fastening them to the original wiring loom with cable ties, keeping everything tidy, professional and out of sight. All the cables are now routed into the cab and neatly tucked behind the dash, ready for the next step. Well, fitting a camera and then when you test it, it doesn't work, that's never a good thing. After a closer look, we found out one of the dip switches wasn't set correctly. Time for a quick adjustment and then get it back together again. There's a perfect spot behind the head unit for the camera module to sit. We securely took everything away, making sure it's neat, and then we rebuilt the dashboard. This is going to be a gaming van. It was just a Mercedes Sprinter, which I'll insert a picture of, and so far, I'll show you inside. Along these walls there's going to be 2 rows of 5 televisions, so there'll be 10 TVs, 10 gaming consoles in these cupboards, seating all down this side, lighting. It's going to look fantastic. We have done them before, so I'll put a picture of one in that we did previously. But what we're going to show you in this video, the starting of the fitting of an air conditioning unit on the roof. It's a Truma Aventa unit. And it fits onto the roof. First of all, we'll have a look and see how it happens. Grab the template from the box to ensure the hole is perfectly positioned and cut to the right size. No guesswork, just a precise fit. Drill a 10mm hole in each corner. This gives the jigsaw blade the entry point for a clean and easy cut. I use masking tape to hold the panel in place and prevent it from falling through. Now it's time to clean up the corners for a perfect finish. Now let's smooth out those sharp edges with a file and treat them properly to prevent rust down the line. So, go and get an update on the Fiat. Here's a shower and toilet room. Compact comfort and convenience in your camper conversion. So, this is going to be the shower room. It's going to have waterproof back. These boards are waterproof anyway. That's the toilet with its own flush tank and electric flush. And then the shower tray will be going down there, and the shower head up on the wall up there. Here's the aircon unit all fitted to the van. Not sure what happened to the footage, but trust me, it's secured with 4 bolts and 2 plates. Nice and solid. Well, I hope you liked that video. If you did, then please subscribe to the channel, click the like button and leave us some comments down below. Thank you for watching. No, sing! I think singing's been spoiled for me.
Solar panels on the roof, nothing fancy, just the truth. Tiny sinking